This age-old question has captivated humanity for centuries. From ancient myths to modern scientific exploration, we've always been driven to understand the vastness of space and the possibility of life beyond our planet. But curiosity isn't the only reason we're setting our sights on the stars. Today, we're diving deep into the world of spaceship investment, exploring the goals that fuel this burgeoning industry. Is it all about finding little green men? Not quite. While the potential discovery of extraterrestrial life remains a thrilling possibility, the motivations behind spaceship investment are multifaceted and surprisingly down-to-earth. So, buckle up, space explorers of the financial kind, because we're about to blast off on a journey through the exciting world of spaceship investment goals. Goal number 1, expanding humanity's reach. Imagine a future where humanity isn't confined to a single planet. Space colonization has been a staple of science fiction for decades, and with advancements in technology, it's no longer just a fantastical dream. Spaceship investments aim to make this vision a reality. By funding the development of advanced spacecraft and sustainable habitats, these investments contribute to creating a future where humanity can establish a foothold beyond Earth. This could provide a safety net for our species in case of unforeseen disasters on our home planet, ensuring our long-term survival. Goal number 2, accessing untapped resources. Space is a vast treasure trove of resources, from precious minerals to untapped energy sources. Asteroids, for example, are believed to hold large quantities of valuable metals like platinum and iridium. Mining these resources could revolutionize various industries on Earth and fuel technological advancements. Spaceship investments can play a crucial role in unlocking these riches. By funding missions to explore and potentially harvest these resources, investors contribute to a future where we can tap into the immense potential of space for our economic benefit. Goal number 3, fostering innovation. The development of spacefaring technology pushes the boundaries of human ingenuity. Spaceship investments directly support the creation of cutting-edge technologies in areas like propulsion systems, life support systems, and materials science. These advancements often have far-reaching applications beyond space travel. For instance, research conducted for spacesuit materials can lead to breakthroughs in creating protective gear for firefighters or deep-sea divers. By investing in spaceships, we're not just funding space exploration, we're also investing in a future filled with groundbreaking innovations that impact all aspects of our lives. Goal number 4, the thrill of exploration. There's something undeniably captivating about the unknown. The human spirit craves exploration, and space represents the ultimate frontier. Spaceship investments allow individuals to participate in this historic endeavor, to be a part of pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. This isn't just about financial returns, it's about the excitement of discovery, the thrill of being at the forefront of human progress. Imagine being able to say you played a role in sending the first crewed mission to Mars. The future of spaceship investment. The world of spaceship investment is still in its early stages, but it holds immense promise. As technology advances and the space economy continues to grow, we can expect to see even more innovative investment opportunities emerge. Remember, this is a complex and ever-evolving field, so conducting thorough research and seeking professional financial advice is crucial before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep your eyes on the stars.